Heating and Cooling North Bay is able to meet all of your requirements for plumbing, heating, and air conditioning. Everything from servicing and maintenance to new installations for both commercial and residential clients is our specialty. Do you have a problem with a clogged drain or a pipe that is leaking? Do you plan on having new water lines installed, or are you remodeling either the bathroom or the kitchen? If you're searching for a new fireplace or gas equipment, or are experiencing problems with the heating in your home, we can help. We also offer affordable lease options for water heaters and furnaces purchased from our company. Give us a call now for a free estimate. We have many years of experience and skilled licensed technicians servicing North Bay and the surrounding area. Call today, 705-482-0476.